Alright, this is day 4 for the Road to 1 mil in funding challenge. M&Q, London session, this complete chop, didn't do shit. I mean, what is this? This is M&Q, right? London session opened around like 8 a.m. right here. Didn't do shit. It just came down, thought it was gonna go down, faked us. It's trying to go up. Okay, maybe there's, some momentum up there, it's trying to go and break out. Of course, it faked out as well. Faked out both sides. NQ is definitely not the same anymore for London session. It definitely seems like it's been patched so far. There's so many weeks now just of losing after losing after losing. So that's why yesterday I said I was going to go on gold, right? So this is what we would have taken for gold. And of course for gold we're looking kind of the 1 minute, right? And so based on this we can see that our resistance up there and support is up there. Of course the one time come back on gold and it just completely just reverses and fakes out. It's just not a good day of price action, but I think I'm definitely going to carry on with gold because looking back up the past week, it's been winning way more than losing in London session. Whereas Nasdaq, we gave it like 3 weeks, right? We're just like getting fucked. Like it's just not working at all with London session. NQ. So that's the update. I'll come back at New York session, and the next clip will be me live trading New York session. Alright, New York session's about to be open in like around 5 minutes. Let me mark out NQ and YM real quick. Yesterday in YM, after it kind of faked out to the upside, it was like a huge like sell-off, which was like a very nice trade to take. Sadly, I think I already took my trades, so I wasn't able to really capitalize on it really, but this time I'm gonna make sure my eyes are on YM, even though the setup was kind of shitty, but it made the move. This is what I'm talking about. Shit setups, like bad setups, still presents itself when it comes to YM. Like you can still see volume even after a bad setup. So I'm gonna make sure that I do mark out everything as much as I can all throughout the session. So far, you can see this trend line. Price could do a few things. So could either come down, break here, and we could look for sells. But I don't think it would go that far. So I probably won't be doing that. I'm gonna try to go for a 20 point today. Then for buys, looking at that, and I'm also looking at this. Yeah, you know what, I might have to go for 15 point, which I think is 8 contracts if I'm not wrong. This is what I'll be looking for NQ. And then for YM, it's already looking like it's gonna break out from here, so I'm probably gonna look at doing this. Yeah, so for YM I'll be looking on here for sales. Yeah, definitely gonna have to reduce my stop loss as well, maybe to 20 points, because 40 points is way too big. Yeah, 20 points looks right for this for sure. I'm liking your study so far though. And then for buys, I'll be looking around, probably not here, maybe around here. Let's see. Yeah, I'll be looking around here. Gonna see NQ kind of pushing out. 8 contracts, or got to see, yeah, so 8 contracts or 25 contracts, we'll see.
how this plays out. Basically 20 seconds left. Okay, wow, that was a bit too quick. Looked like it faked out. Looks like YM is moving. It does come back. Possibly looking to take YM. Okay, wow. With that fake out, I really should have looked at the 1 minute reversal, but it's a bit too late for that. It's too quick. Markets are moving too quick. There's no way for me to real quick enter that. Wow. That's so quick. Okay. Wow. Kinda gotta wait. I don't want to rush into anything. Yeah, I should have entered around here. Like this. But it's a bit too late now. Okay, US 30 looks like it's about to shoot up. I'm gonna give it a chance. Okay, I'm gonna give it a chance. Okay, that's okay. Wow. That's what the hell. Okay, let me close this. I'm out of this. The entry was very late. I mean, US 30 moves too quick. I'm not entering this anymore. It's too late. It's too late. Just gonna be looking for this. Hopefully this plays out at least. Just US 30 is too quick. I wasn't able to enter on time. Whoa. Can you... Let's wait. Okay. I'm ready to excel as soon as I see US 30 is too quick. Man. I'm in. Whoa. 250. I'm in for US 30. I'm sorry. YM. Let's see. This wick is the problem that I'm having right now. I don't like it. This wick really looks like a problem. US 30 played out so well. I just couldn't, like, the right entry I just couldn't enter the right entry. It was just too quick. The volume was just too quick. I couldn't enter immediately. And now look at NQ just playing with me. So fed up. I'm so fed up with the markets. I don't even think it's the market's fault. I'm so fed up. Wow, so yeah, 2 other traders, 2 losses. I'm so fed up. I really am. I don't know what to say. Wow. I don't know what to say. Basically, yeah. I just don't know what to say. The way it just, wow, it was just too quick. The markets were just moving too quick. It faked out. My entry should have been there. I could even like trail for 1 to 3 nearly. It's just, I can't do anything. I really, like, it was just too quick. US 30 was too quick. Like, my entry was up here. And that's why I got stopped out. It makes sense. With 20-point stop loss, I can't go for 40 because it was too wide. It was too wide, yeah. So, what am I meant to do? So far, this challenge is going horrendous. I mean, it's okay. I know these evaluations, like, if I do blow one, so be it. I'll just come back again and just get another. The only important part about this is learning the lessons. So, US 30 was very quick. It was way too quick. And I wasn't able to execute in time. It would have been a solid 1 to 2. Even a 1 to, yeah, definitely would have been a 1 to 3. With that volume, it definitely, 1,000,000% could have been a 1 to 3 as well. I mean, clearly you can see that I did hit. But my entry was very bad. My entry was around here. So, of course, I managed to lose it. And then with NQ, we saw a fake around here. And then if we go to the 1 minute, could have entered the 1 minute reversals and went for the shorts, which also would have been close to 1 to 3, sorry. But obviously, based on volumes, but I'm going for 1 to 3. So this is the lessons that I'm learning right now. So these 2 losses Shouldn't have been the case. I should have been up 3R, but instead I'm down, and that's on me. It's still on me. I can't blame the market conditions for this. I just couldn't execute as quick as I can. I was just too slow. I was just too slow. I just got to try and make sure to execute more faster next time. I was laser focused, but it was just too quick for me. New York Opens are insanely quick, insane. But yeah, I'll come back tomorrow. If we catch it up, we catch it up. If we don't catch it up, we don't catch it up. This week has been so bad for me. And Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's just the market's just giving it. It's just been fake outs after fake outs. Today it did give it. I just couldn't execute correctly. So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. All good. Not gonna trade again today. Gonna chill out, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm too numb for these losses. Like, I've lost so many times. This is nothing. This shouldn't be something that should make me break any rules. And for any of you guys there, don't follow your plan, follow the setup. NQ right now might be going down, but I'm not taking nothing. I'm out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching.